So I've been working really hard on my composition assignment in Noteflight, and now it's time to submit my entry to my teacher. The first few weeks, guys, what I'm going to be looking for is the PDF version or the written part of your score. I'm not going to listen to them just quite yet. So what I've done is I've opened up Noteflight, went to my scores, and so far the only one I have right now is Mr. T. Viola. That's the same beautiful piece of music from last time. Alright, I'm going to get rid of that piano down there at the bottom. Alright, so there it is. I'm ready to send it to my teacher. So you go to the menu button on the middle of the left side. You click, then you go to score, down, and then export. And it gives you a couple of different versions of how to export it. For now, we're just going to do a full score PDF. That way, eventually I can see all of the parts. At the end of our project, we'll be submitting a WAV file so that I can listen to them. That's down here. A WAV file is, of course, it's an audio file. But right now we're looking for the full score as a PDF. You hit continue, and then you hit save, and then it will turn it into a PDF. You kind of see down here at the bottom. When I click on that, there it is. It says Mr. T. Viola, and then I'm going to have to move my picture a little bit. And then you can save it to wherever you would like. I'm going to throw this on my desktop for later. And then that would be the PDF that you would submit. I haven't decided if we're going to use Flipgrid, or maybe your teacher is going to use Google Classrooms to submit these PDFs. This will just be a real quick, easy way for us to collect your compositions. For my school, we're going to collect them every 2 weeks. All right. That is how you submit your composition assignments.